That was left on my car. I didn't even notice it, but I just noticed it. I'm about to show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm just cleaning up this overspray. It's looking real nice too. There's a lot of overspray. I didn't even notice it. So you see all those black marks. You see all of that. Y'all see all those little specks. That is like overspray paint that I did not know was there. This whole time I saw it like here on the trunk, you can see it, but I did not know what it was. So as you see, it's there. Now as I pan up a little bit, you see it's not that much there. Still got a little ways to go. So this is what I'm using to clean it. A little clay bar, some extra detailing came with the clay bar. Like a little softness. So yeah. Oh, and I've been peeling this off as well. To show y'all that. Y'all see that thing still clean up there. It's brand new. It's not that hard to clean off. It's just a little tedious. We use a little toothpick to get the edges and stuff. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Getting it off. Getting this overspray off. And we got the emblem on clean. As you can see. Next, I guess we're gonna take this black off. And we're gonna spray it, clean it again, and spray it white. Yes, sir, that's what we're doing. Just want to give y'all a little quick update. And I'll see y'all. Another quick update. You'll see the overspray. There's our pan up. That's overspray. This is where I clean right here. Pan down. This is where I started that overspray from air. Already started. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I am now. And we're getting this plastidip paint taken off right now. I'm starting, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of it. So what I do is, I already started, as you can see, it's peeling back. So what I do is start to scrape this edge, and start to scrape this top edge. You see, I already scraped it. Down here. Scrape this edge down. So we gotta scrape the bottom edge. And the reason we do this is so when we peel it, it just comes right off. Yes, sir. So that's the process of it. I just want to show you guys really quick. It's actually pretty satisfying. Just get it. See what? Putting it right off. Put it right off. So you gotta keep scraping this edge. Because that's where it's really stuck at. Look at that. Top edge. You can continue to peel this. Alright, so I'm going to speed this part up for you guys, just so you won't take too much of your time. But yeah, we're going to keep peeling this part off, and like I said, you want to peel the bottom and the top so you can peel this off in one piece. And stay tuned to see the whole thing. And make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next part of the process. you gotta apply heavy coat. So you gotta spray it about at least, I sprayed this at least 7 times, I believe. Yeah, man, it took a long time. And it's a process, man. I don't know. You gotta spray it one layer, then let that sit, and then spray it again, man. And I'm gonna show y'all that. I was just gonna say. Y'all gonna see all that. I'm gonna do that video in the time lapse for y'all so y'all can see it. Ain't gonna be no long video. As soon as I get all of this off, get it clean. Got this all clean. Yeah. That's looking good too. It ain't even been clean. It's still looking good. Get the shot. What's up, kid? I'm all the time. But anyway.